Hello everybody, I am Anjali and welcome again to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to make a cute little summer top like this. So I'm going to make this top with two fabrics. So here I have these two fabrics. One is this green fabric, this is cotton, and then one more fabric, this is sky blue color of fabric, which is again cotton mix fabric. So this green one is around 9-inch long, so 8-inch will be the length and 1-inch will go in the adjustments, and width will be whatever measurement of your chest is, take half of it and then add 5 or 6 more inches to it. So we have two pieces of fabric like this. And then for the bottom part I'm going to take this sky blue fabric. So again, length will be whatever length you want for your top, take that much and then minus the upper part. So you have to take two pieces, one for the front side and one for the back side. Now I'm going to join these two pieces from here like this. So here you can see I have given the stitch and my both the pieces are joined, and this is the right part and it's looking like this, and this is the another one. Now facing both the right sides together, keep on each other like this, adjust it properly and then fold it from the middle. Now from here take half of your shoulder measurement, that is 7. Now from this point take 7.5 inch down, which is my armhole measurement, and then make a straight line here. Now here mark the measurement of your chest, so divide your chest measurement by 4 and then add 1 inch to it and then mark a point here. Now make a line here. Now for the armhole take 1 inch from here. Mark the measurement for your neckline. So 3 inch is the width of my neckline, so I'm marking 3 inch here for the neck width. Now half an inch down I will give the shoulder drop and then I'll join these 2 points. Now coming back to the armhole measurement, take half of this line, mark a point here, make 2 centimeter line here and then join all these points with the curve, touching this 1 inch of line. You have to make the front armhole measurement, and for the back armhole you have to make the same curve in the box only. Now from this point we will go straight down, but before that I will take 1.5 inch of extra fabric for the cutting, and then join these 2 points. Take this point straight down. So here my measurement part is done. Now I will cut this out. So first I'm cutting the back armhole. Now remove the back side, adjust the front side and cut the front armhole. Here my both the pieces are ready and it's looking like this. Now you can make neckline for your front part and the back part. Here I'm making simple round neck for the front side and the back side, taking 5.5 inch of depth. So this is absolutely your choice what neck design you want to give here. Now I'm going to complete my necklines of front and back side. So here you can see I have completed my neckline in a regular way. This is the back side and this is the front part. Both the necklines are done. Now I will join both the pieces from the shoulders. So facing both the right sides together, I will join the shoulders and then I will complete the sleeves. So here I am giving the stitch to the shoulders. Here my shoulder part is done. Now I'm going to complete the sleeves. So here I have this bias binding strip. So facing both the right part together, I will give a stitch here. So don't pull your bias binding strip, and give a stitch to the edges of the strip. So here my strip is attached. Now I'm giving small cuts. Now take this strip to the wrong side and then give the two little folds and give the stitch. This is sleeveless, that's why I'm following this method. If you want sleeves, then you can attach sleeves here. This is absolutely your choice. So here my sleeves is done. Now I'm giving the side fittings. So just measure the fittings according to your measurement and then give the stitch. And if you want, you can give little bit of opening at the bottom part, leaving around 4 inch or 5 inch of fabric from the bottom side, and then give the stitch and make the chark. But here I am giving stitch till the bottom part. Leave around 1 inch or half an inch at the side. So now I'm going to give stitch to the bottom part. So I am going to give this 1 inch of line here, and then I'll give two little folds and then I'll give the stitch. So here you can see my top is ready, neckline is done, sleeves are done, and fittings and bottom part is also done, and it's looking like this. So this was really easy top you can make with the combination of two fabrics. So I hope you liked this video, and if you liked it, then please like, share, subscribe. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram account also. All the links are below in the description box. I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.